Well, I figured today I'd do a little video on the heat pump. What I'm going to do is I'm going to measure the temperature of the air of this unit and the suction line. So there's our suction line right there. I got the temperature gun in my pocket here. Simon, move. Kind of nice, roughly 110 degrees. It's working great. So these units still could use to charge a refrigerant, especially the other heat pump, which is not running right now. I would have figured this air would be no warmer than about 15 degrees. It's about 45 out here, so the coil should be about 25. I think this unit's been running for very long, so I guess I wouldn't expect it to be a full 20 degrees below the outdoor temperature. Yeah, it's only been running for about 10 minutes. Let's go ahead and measure the air coming out of the vents. These are returned. I bumped the thermostat up a degree to prevent it from shutting off. Wish the vents were on the ground so I could get a more accurate measurement, but since this is in the basement, they're on the ceiling. Let's do this one and then wrap up this video. It's about the same. Actually, it's a little bit warmer. That noise you hear is my dog limping upstairs. Might as well show the indoor unit before we wrap up this video. There it is right there, and there's one of the furnaces. Suction line right there. And that insulation is preventing me from getting a more accurate measurement on the inside the suction line, but we already measured it outside. It was about 110 degrees or so. yeah, I guess that's gonna be it. Thanks for watching.